Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze Airbnb rental properties using AirDNA Rentalizer. Okay, so this is the property I was looking at. This is in Washington, D.C. in Capitol Hill. It's a large one-bedroom apartment. So in Airbnb, you cannot come and get the exact address unless you book it first. So what you want to do is here, you'll see the URL, right? You will see the first set of numbers. This is the STR code. STR basically means short-term listing, okay? So come on AirDNA, paste this number, and you'll see right here, it says STR listing ID. We'll choose the one in Washington, D.C. And then here you can enter the revenue calculator here. So just click on this. Now, once this loads up, if I scroll down, you can see right here, it shows me the revenue potential of this place based on similar properties in the area, and it is estimated that this property is making about $51,900 per year, 62% occupancy rate. This is how much on average it charges. And you can also go ahead and see similar properties, okay, or other properties in the area and how much revenue those are generating. Okay. What you can also do is, for example, let's look at the Washington, D.C. area. So if I click on this market right here and wait for this page to load up, let me show you what we can actually achieve with this. So here we have the Washington, D.C. market. And if I click on the for sale properties, we will basically be able to see properties that are currently on sale that we can buy, okay, and how much revenue they are currently making. So I chose a property right here, and this property, let's wait for this to load up though. So this property right here, you can see pictures as well. You can scroll down and you can click here to see all photos. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, projected revenue about $37,000. Let's say $38,000 projected yield, 12.2%, 69% occupancy. On average, we can charge $150 per day. And this is the financial calculator as well they have, which is a cool feature where they have the estimated operating expenses. This will be our net operating income we should be having and our cap rate. Okay, so you can also go ahead and customize this as well. And for example, you want to remove the management fee. If you want to go ahead and manage it yourself, you can do that as well if you live close by. And you can go ahead and adjust the lodging, property taxes, and maybe you have other fees, HOA fees and things like that, insurance. You can factor those in as well. And this will adjust your cap rate. For example, say $500 maintenance per year, and then insurance, let's put it at 700. You see the cap rate is decreasing right now. And it's really that easy and simple. You can also go ahead to STR listings and see how much different properties tend to make in that area. And then you can also go to, for example, Zillow and look for properties there as well. And it's really that easy and simple. Good luck.